Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to discuss about the characters of Macbeth. Macbeth is one of the greatest tragedies of William Shakespeare. It was written from 1606 to 1607 and published in 1623. Now come to the characters. Macbeth. Macbeth is a Scottish general. Later, he becomes the Thane of Glamis and Cawdor. Though he is a brave soldier and powerful man, he is not a virtuous man. When three witches predict that one day he will be the king of Scotland, he becomes very ambitious and he is easily convinced to murder Duncan to fulfill his ambition. He is greatly influenced by his wife. Day by day, he is becoming a brutal murderer. Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is the devilish wife of Macbeth. She is a very ambitious woman and she lusts for power and position. She urges her husband to kill Duncan and seize the throne. After the bloodshed begins, she falls victim to guilt and becomes mad. Eventually, she commits suicide. King Duncan. Duncan is the king of Scotland. He is virtuous and benevolent. His victories against rebellious kinsmen and the Norwegian army have made him a popular and honored king. He wants to pass the kingdom to his son Malcolm. As a result, Macbeth kills him to seize the throne. Banquo. Banquo is the brave noble general. According to the witch's prophecy, his children will inherit the throne of Scotland. Like Macbeth, he is also ambitious, but he doesn't commit any crime for fulfilling his ambition. Macbeth becomes jealous for the witch's prediction to Banquo, and Macbeth kills Banquo. Malcolm. Malcolm is the son of Duncan, who is restored in the throne of Scotland at the last. At the very beginning, he seems very weak and uncertain of his own power. With the help of Macduff and England, he fights against Macbeth and wins the battle. Macduff. Macduff is a Scottish nobleman. Macbeth kills his wife and children. Macduff is very hostile to Macbeth's kingship from the start. He becomes a leader of the crusade to unseat Macbeth. The crusade mission is to place rightful King Malcolm on the throne. The witches. The witches are the three agents of fate who reveals the truth to Macbeth and Banquo. Their predictions promote Macbeth to murder Duncan and Banquo. Thanks for watching the full video.